Okay, to install Kali Purple in VMware 17, go to web browser, go to kali.org/get-kali, and scroll down and down till you find Kali Purple, and then click the down arrow. Save it to your computer. And when that's done, you can close your browser. Start VMware Workstation and select Create a new virtual machine. Then use ISO image and browse. Double click on the ISO you downloaded. Then click Next. Then choose Linux, and the version I'm going to go with is Debian 11, so I'll have to scroll up for that. Then click Next. Then click Next. And select your disk size. I'm going to just go with 20 and click Next. And then for hardware, I want to give myself more than 2 gigabytes of memory. And I'm going to choose 4, which is 4096. Then click Close. Then click Finish. Then close. Okay, choose Graphical Install. Okay, I'm choosing the English language, so Continue, United States, Continue, American English, Continue. Then enter a host name. We call it Kali Purple, and then Continue. And if you don't have a domain name, you can leave it blank and click Continue. Enter a full name for a user, Continue, then enter a username, and then Continue. Now choose a password, and then Continue. Select your time zone, and then Continue. Then I'm going to choose Guided, Use Entire Disk, and Continue. 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 Then choose Yes to write changes to disk, and Continue. And I want to have everything except GNOME and KDE Plasma, so this looks good. I'm going to click Continue. And for installing Grub, yes, and Continue. Click the drive and Continue. Okay, when I ask you to reboot, click Continue. And when it comes up, enter your username and password. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.